Good afternoon. My name is Dan Burke and I'm with DixonValve. Appreciate the opportunity to talk to you just a little bit about one of our new products that we've come up with. This is our FT555PA, and it is a truck tester. And unlike some of the other truck testers, this one will perform lots of different functions. You can use the same cable on this one to convert either onto an optic socket or a thermistor socket. All you have to do is move these pins to T for thermistor, and it'll line up, and you can do a thermistor socket, or O for optic, and you can connect this with an optic socket. Then what it does is it has a handy backlight, so that when you turn the backlight on, it lights up for you. You test your, select which kind of test you want to do. You can test it on the optic, you can test the thermistor, it'll run the ground bolt test, and it will also test the TIM chip on the trailer. The fourth thing that it does is it gives you the opportunity to wet test, and most guys, it takes two guys in the shop to wet test. When this thing makes a loud beep like that, that is indicating that that probe is now wet. And at that point, you know that that compartment is working correctly, and you move the cup and you go to the next compartment, and when it beeps, then you know you've got it wet again. The other thing that this tester does for you is it comes with lots of different lead sets, so that you can not only test the socket connection, but you can test your 5-wire probe test. You can test your 5-wire plug-and-play probe. You can test a 2-wire probe. You can test a plug-and-play 2-wire probe. You can also then use this to test the ground bolt to make sure that it's working correctly, and you can use this to test your truck identification module. All of this comes in this case. We manufacture all of this equipment at our factory in Cincinnati, Ohio, and it's available through the 12 distribution centers that Dixon has. Thank you for your time.